Renewed grief for the family of Samuel Sterling, the 25-year-old who died after he was hit by an unmarked police vehicle while he ran from officers. The decision by a federal judge to grant now retired MSP Sergeant Brian Keeley immunity from those criminal charges has left the Sterling family wondering if the justice they hope for will ever be served.
When you get hit with that blow that knocks the wind out of you and causes you to become unbalanced emotionally.
The family of Samuel Sterling still reeling one day after the criminal case against the former police officer who killed Sterling was dismissed.
With us now knowing that justice for my cousin Samuel has now been denied, again, we're angered. We emotionally discombobulated right now. We're lost for words.
Cousin Jamar Sterling says Samuel's death stings with new pains.
My relationship with my cousin was cut short. But what I did learn of my cousin, that he was a protector of all. He was a provider. He was a father. He was an uncle. He was a son.
Keeley was part of a federal task force tracking down Sterling, who had absconded from probation. When officers caught up with Sterling on April 17, 2024, he ran. Keeley, in an unmarked vehicle, drove to cut off Sterling in a restaurant parking lot in Kentwood. Keeley's vehicle hit Sterling and pinned him against the building. He later died from his injuries. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel filed a second-degree murder charge against Keeley, but his attorney got the case moved to federal court. The federal judge ruling Keeley acted with his role as a sworn federal officer, granting him immunity from criminal charges. Keeley's defense applauding the decision in a statement, saying, quote, "We are grateful that the court recognized this case for what it truly was, a law enforcement officer doing his job in a high-risk encounter with a known fugitive. This ruling not only vindicates our client, but also sends a strong message in support of those who serve with honor and integrity." However, the Sterling family believes more could have been done in the case.
There was enough evidence. The video wasn't enough. There could have been witnesses who are more than willing to come forward, who was here at this Burger King, who can testify to their own well-being, to their own mindsets.
The family has been talking with local leaders from the NAACP as well as city commissioners to track their next steps. They hope Attorney General Nessel will take the case on personally. In Kentwood, Wadida Namna, Fox 17 News.